There is finally some good news for cryptocurrency. India is now not banning cryptocurrency, and along with that, there has been a lot of manipulation in the market, which is evident by Elon Musk, and he is going wild with his tweets. So, today we're going to deep dive into these topics, and along with that, we're going to have a quick market update towards the end of the video, which you don't want to miss out on. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Aryan, and let's get started. Let's start off with the good news first. The Reserve Bank of India had posted a notice on 31st May 2021. But before this, what you need to know is that there was a notice which was published before this in April 2018, which was not very much in favor of cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology in general. So on 31st May 2021, we got a notice which said that in view of the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, the circular, which refers to the circular which was updated in April 2018, is no longer valid from the date of the Supreme Court judgment and therefore cannot be cited or quoted from. So until now, what was happening was a lot of banks and major companies were denying to partner with cryptocurrency exchanges and entities related to cryptocurrency in India because they had the circular which was not very much in favor of cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology as a whole. And they just used to bring up the circular and say that the Reserve Bank of India itself thinks that cryptocurrency is a Ponzi scheme, and henceforth they would not partner with cryptocurrency exchanges and entities related to it. But now, since the RBI has mentioned that that previous article cannot be cited or quoted from, this is a clear legal pass for the cryptocurrency space in India. There is finally some mass adoption picking up for the crypto space in India, and BuzzyRex recently launched their NFT space. And along with this, I also heard in an interview that they are coming with a centralized exchange and also a decentralized exchange, which is huge. Along with this, there are a lot of companies as well as exchanges which are emerging rapidly in India, and this is going to make mass adoption of cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology very fast. The future for cryptocurrency in India looks very bright, as it should be, and I'm really looking forward to what the next couple of years will look like for the space. Along with this, Elon Musk has been going wild with his tweets. He is not stopping, and clearly there is a lot of manipulation in play out here. On June 4th, he posted this meme, and even though this meme in text does not contain Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, or anything, the title of this post was this: hashtag Bitcoin, the Bitcoin logo, and a heartbreak symbol. And due to this, Bitcoin saw a huge dump, and we saw a dump of at least almost 10% after this tweet, which was bad. And there is clearly a lot of manipulation in play because this morning Elon Musk again changed his profile picture to this, which has a Bitcoin logo. Previously, Elon Musk had posted this where he said that Tesla would no longer accept cryptocurrency for payments of Tesla cars. But today I'm going to dive deeper into what the real motive was behind this post with some technical analysis. I've pulled out a technical indicator which is known as the moving average, and there are two moving averages on the screen right now: the 50 moving average and the 200 moving average. If you're confused, let me explain this to you in very simple terms. So whenever the 50 moving average, which is the yellow line, crosses the blue line from below and goes above it, it is known as a golden cross, and it is a very bullish sign. Let me go back in time and explain to you these crosses so that you have a better idea of the significance of these. An example of the golden cross is this, where the yellow line is crossing the blue line and going above it. And an example of a death cross is this, where the yellow line is going beneath the blue line. So a golden cross is bullish, and after this cross, we saw a nice bull run ahead of it. In contrast, we have a death cross here, after which we went very bearish. I want you to look at this part very carefully. So on May 13th, this Tesla and Bitcoin tweet was made, and if you go back into the charts, this was the date, which is May 13th. So exactly when the golden crossover was about to happen, which means that when the yellow line was about to cross the blue line from beneath and go above it, we were expecting a golden cross, and had this happened, we would see an extended bull run. And I personally was expecting another all-time high after this. After this tweet, we had a very significant dip, and till this date, this dip is of about around 35%. This dip was very significant, and instead of having a golden cross, we had a death cross where the yellow line went beneath the blue line, following which we saw a bear run. My speculation is that he made this tweet very cleverly so that he himself and the parties associated with him could acquire Bitcoin at very cheap prices. A few moments before I started recording this video, Elon Musk tweeted again, and he posted this. So a water symbol, rocket, and moon. So he is referring to a shitcoin or a meme coin which is known as Cum Rocket. And Elon Musk has officially become a pump and dump master after this. So after this tweet, there was a huge gain and everybody dumped the coin. And this is what Elon Musk is doing these days. On the brighter side, I'm very confident that one day Elon Musk's tweets won't affect the market as much as they do today. We had a similar case back in 2017 where John McAfee, the owner of the McAfee antivirus, which you know of, was manipulating the crypto market in a similar way and he was charged with fraud over crypto promotion. Sooner or later, people will realize that crypto is not a get rich quick scheme, and soon they will face losses if they keep investing on influencers' hypes and tweets. In my opinion, Elon Musk is just a spice in the soup right now, and sooner or later, the tweets which he makes about cryptocurrency will be detached from the market movement. Also, a quick market update. After the huge crash which we had, we are going sideways for a bit right now, and Bitcoin has formed a nice horizontal triangle, which means that there are equal chances for it to go above and below. But I feel that the whales have got enough time to accumulate Bitcoin. Eventually, everybody wants the price to go up. So after this nice consolidation, I'm expecting a breakout from the upside to at least 48,000. But before that, there is a big resistance at 42k, which must be crossed. On the other hand, the downside breakout of this triangle is around 26,000, which is very unlikely because there has already been a lot of accumulation and there has been a lot of buying pressure ever since this big dip of 30k. If you want these Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency updates in real time, you could join the Moonbase crypto community server on Discord, where we are posting updates constantly on major moves which the market is making. Along with Bitcoin updates, we also have updates for other cryptocurrencies and altcoins where we are constantly putting up setups of nice breakouts and major movements of cryptocurrencies. And apart from that, there are a bunch of resources where you can learn from: a crypto analysis zone, which I just showed you, a learn zone for the best resources out there, trends and patterns where you can learn technical analysis, and much, much more. We are an active community with over 300 members now, and you are invited there. So I'll catch you there and I'll see you in the next video.
हैरान और उनको तू बोलने दे, बोलेंगे उनको तो करना सिर्फ ये काम, नाकाम दूसरे पे चलने वाले शैतान, अंदर के इंसान को पहचान। मैं आता जब भी माइक पे तो होता यहाँ पे कब्जा, ये जो तूने बोला मैंने बोल चुका कब का, भेजा पहाड़ सा सोचता नहीं हल्का, रैपर्स के धंधे पे डाल दिया पर्दा, घर जा।